On cam ready in 3, 2, 1. Want your Riverside recordings to look like they've been through a full edit without ever opening editing software? In this video, I'll show you how to change your on-screen layout to use Riverside's AI editor and instantly create polished videos. Hey guys, this is On Cam Ready. I'm Jamie Maglietta. On this section of my YouTube channel, we focus on tutorials to help you level up online and turn your expertise into content. Just a quick reminder, I am a television news veteran who's been producing content for many years, and now I use Riverside to produce content for YouTube, my podcast, and for clients. All right, let's go into Riverside and I'll show you using an example that I recorded of how to change the layouts. When you're in Riverside and you've recorded a video, you can then edit it within Riverside. So here are the recordings. I'm now going to work on the edit that I had been producing for another video. So we're going to open this up. In here, you'll see there's the different videos that I've added to my timeline. So this was one recording. This was another recording. You see how we're going down the line here and changing different colors? Well, if you want to edit so that you don't have to leave Riverside, you go up to the AI tools, and in the AI tools, you can remove all the pauses. You can remove filler words. You can also ask it to find fluff that you may want to remove. And then I always add the magic audio so that I have more studio quality audio added to my videos. The other thing is smart layouts, and that's what we're going to focus on today. So if you saw my other video on how to add a second camera, you'll see that adding a second camera is very simple. What you need to do is make sure that you can email another device that you can add to your Riverside recording. That will help you get a second camera for your own solo social media or podcasting creation. For this, I added a second video, and to have a cool layout, you can go over to here where it said layouts, and now I can either have it full screen, I can have a little circle in the bottom corner. I can also split. I can also change the layout where if I had multiple cameras, there's different boxes that I can use. I don't have 3 cameras for this one, but you can apply different positions for your videos. And then you can even add a background to this. So if you wanted, say this is what you wanted, I don't know why you would, but let's do this, for example. Okay, say I wanted to have this format, but I didn't want the black on the background here. Go to background, and then you can add your background and it'll push it back just a little bit. And you can even add a custom background, which I think is really cool. I haven't played around with this yet, but I may. You can also add videos if you needed to. When you are editing, you can upload them. So guys, that's a little look at how to lay out your edits in Riverside. I'll make sure to return with more ideas and tips to help you navigate Riverside to improve your content and level up online. I highly recommend the platform. And if you're looking to buy Riverside, check out my description. There's a link there to Riverside and use my code OCR15. Going back to the AI edits, the formatting also can be applied to the AI short videos. So if you want to change up the way your AI shorts are made, you can do that too. You can change the layout of those. I highly recommend that you switch the cameras between speakers when you have. I like the grid for panels with the pushed back grid. I don't like the 3 stacked together because I feel like it takes away from the animation that some people have with their arms, that personality. You can also add a background, say it's like your branding colors. You can add a logo to your edit as well. There's a lot you can do. And as I play around again, I'll make sure I record some video. I hope this is helpful. And when in doubt, think of layouts as a storytelling tool. Side by side feels like a conversation. A single speaker feels like authority. Don't just pick what looks good. Pick what feels right for your story. If this helped, be sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video. My daughter always says don't say too much at the end, so I'll leave it there. I will add just one more thing. Find me on Instagram, Jamie_Maglietta, and let me know if you're liking these videos. Check out the Riverside tutorial I did on how to add a second camera if you're trying to figure that out. I also put together a video on what I like about Riverside if you're thinking about buying the program. I recommend it. I've been using it since 2022. It's 2025. So I'm into it. I think it's great. And if you're looking to level up, I think it will help you. Reach out if you have any questions about it, and I'll see you guys online. Bye.